from Kathy's Cute Creations with my granddaughter,
Megan from Blue Sky.
and we are going to be showing you the Confetti, you want to pick it up there?
Well, it would
Collection.
be upside down for them.
There you go. And we're going to open that up and take a peek.
It's bigger than my head.
Okay, here's the scissors.
I thought you said the sisters. Am I looking at it wrong?
No, you have to, it's at the bottom down here. Right there. You got it.
I open these all the time. I definitely know what I'm doing. And I'm used to using box cutters, not scissors.
Okay, let's check it.
Not much to show! My head is out.
Oh, we have to, we need to cut the bubble wrap.
Okay. No, don't stop.
They got a tape right there.
Uh-huh, I see.
Should we stand up? Or not?
Darling. So it is confetti!
Now just lift this whole thing out and put it on the table for me.
Well, I'm
And
holding
then
it
we can
this
move
way
the
so
box.
they can see it.
Okay, well, pick this up.
You're not understanding.
There we go.
They're not. Now they can't see it.
Well, she can show it.
It's not the same. I was trying to give them the experience of opening it virtually.
Hold that, please. Okay. If you don't rip into it, I'm going to tooey. Okay.
You're
I'm
gonna tooey?
Rat-a-tat-a-tooey.
Ratatouille! Oh, mine.
Okay, so
You're
first,
not very good at that, are you?
it says, hello. Well, that's what you get at the very
That's what
top.
you get.
Go
Good.
ahead. This is what you get on the top of the box. It looks like that.
Oh, you're blocking my face.
Okay, go ahead.
This is the big package.
Put down so we'll take a look at it. Ooh, look, pineapples. Oh my goodness. A whole bunch, it looks like.
Yay. Oh, we're
Like greeting
bonding.
cards.
Fine.
Okay.
Open that.
Tired of texting. Aw, cards. Look at that. How many were there? Do you see? 16 note cards and envelopes. There you go. It's probably backwards for y'all. It says tired to texting. Oh, tired of texting. What do you got there?
Oh, you're not going to open it?
Well, that's what it says right there. It just says
Is
tired
that
of
what all
texting.
of them say?
Uh-huh. They all say the same thing.
Okay, well this one says hello. Very anticlimactic.
Silly thing.
And this has 16. Or whatever the other one said. I don't know. I didn't read it.
Okay.
Oh.
Let's see. Are they? I think
Hello,
they're
books.
lined.
So,
They're journals. What is that?
can we show the people?
Yeah.
So there's
Show
3
the people.
books.
I
Pink, blue, and green.
Like the paper over
Your
there.
favorite. My favorite. And Mom will end up with that one.
I'll probably be giving mine away.
Which one's yours?
Which, you like the blue one?
You were getting the pink.
I'm getting both of these, and they're going to be in a giveaway. Yeah. I don't need any more journals. I have plenty of them.
I'm just going to open them
I'd
and
like
show
to
them
give
what the
one.
inside
Okay.
look like because I want to see.
Okay. You may do that. Just trying to get some paper off
You
the table.
poked my finger. Ta-da! It's like yellowish. But that's okay.
Let me see. I think it's the lighting in here.
Well, it doesn't have like that mustard
But I
smell.
think it's the lighting. It is.
No, it's the book. It's
Okay.
it's the book. It's yellow. No.
All right. Well, that's
There's
fine.
that. I kind of like the green one better though. I know, straying away from blue. Your
Okay.
turn.
So this says it is a cord organizer. And it must mean like your cord. It looks like this. And I'm going to guess it's like your extension cord. I mean, your cord, that, like my cord that would be going to the AccuQuilt Go there. Because this is so big. And it's got compartments. Let me open this up.
Ta-da! It fits.
So there's what the inside looks like. It has one of those little, this is your little thing to keep it fresh on the inside.
It's called a silica gel packet.
Yeah,
they come in your shoes.
It's got 3 little spots there to put your cords in. Actually, you could put your phone cord in there. I don't see why not. And this actually comes out. So if you wanted to take that out,
you could use this as like just a little pocketbook. You can store your
there you
fat
go.
quarters. But since it's slender, you call it your thin quarters. But it says cord organizer, so you can disguise it. I don't know.
There you go. Nobody knows what it is.
Embroider on top of it. And say, none your business.
What's this?
Oh no, I stepped on a dog. I don't know. I'm going to do this one.
Okay.
Pineapple! It is, what's it say? To avoid danger. No, I don't care about that part.
It's a notepad.
75 sheet notepad. Pineapple.
You want to take it out? Okay. Has it got an opening? There, right there at the bottom. Okay.
I'm gonna just use my scissors here. And they open downwards. And they all look like little pineapples. You could also color that in. Maybe give them to like a 10-year-old. Or like a 8 or 9-year-old and be like, here you go, you're bored on a road trip. There you go. And then color it in.
Yellow
or you could put,
pretty cute.
You could put your pineapple quilt. And you do your measurements and stuff.
Let me look at a minute.
You didn't say please.
Please.
Okay.
Please and thank you. Look, that little guy's bent over there. You can show the last thing there if you like.
No, I showed the pineapple.
You really don't want to show that, do you?
It's pink. I don't want it.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Okay, so it
there's
is...
2!
Yeah, there's 2 bags, which I think is pretty neat.
It's cherry blossom tree.
Yes, that's just going to say cherry blossoms. Let's open it up. There you go. That's a good size bag.
Yes, it's a very good sized bag.
And I'm going to lay it down here so everybody can take a look at it and see what all we have, all right?
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.